Good morning and welcome to Vietnam. No, welcome to Evolving Mail. We are on our way to do some, what are we doing, babe? Good morning, Vietnam! Nope, just kidding. Good morning and welcome to Evolving Mail. We are on our way to do what?
Fossil recovery.
Fossil recovery. We are going down to Arcadia, Florida, where we are going to do some fossil hunting, fossil recovery, and see what we can find. So we're going to take you guys with us. It's a beautiful, sweltering Saturday morning on June something. I don't even know what today's date is, 27th. So we're going down there to see what we can find, and stay tuned because we're at it. We're on our way.
They say, what's that? So the word Nakati is what's that? Or what is it?
We got about a 200-yard walk down before we get to the creek we're doing this in. Nice pretty walk.
It's cool that you lease this property for that.
We'll get lucky and see some bobcats or something. I couldn't tell, to be honest. I didn't think it really looked cloven, but it didn't look like a paw either.
Stop here a second. What do you think this is here?
The water got that high?
Yeah, that's right.
What is it?
This is the water line up here. This is how deep it gets out here. So that's why you usually fossil hunting during the summer. So if you look at the water line, look at the property around here. Everything's underwater. That's why they can't use this property for agriculture or for building homes. So the only thing you use it for is leasing it for deer hunting or me.
Yeah, the Native Americans were troopers, for sure. Neat little trestle bridge right here. Woo! It's not cold, but it's not warm. Well, we made it through.
Someone? I think so. Your buddy is.
Oh, there they are.
Everything okay? All right. Right here where we're walking.
Oh. Yeah, I'd read about that one time.
Pretty wet.
Actually, friends went out. So
There's the creek.
I think they go in.
Back up through the mud.
Yeah, there's going to be 2 people in Southwest Florida fossil hunting.
Yeah, that's
right. So you're going to do something you haven't those areas done.
right. Yeah, that's what I was reading. That was about this time. You can't.
Yeah.
You can't anymore.
Oh. There they are. Got them good shoes on there, babe. There's a little turtle right there. I think. Is that a turtle? Looks like a turtle. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. I'm stuck. Ah. Up on the bank there, a little easier. It's pretty deep. If you couldn't see that folly thing I just did there. pretty wet. It's pretty steep. It's pretty muddy. So they said they found an arrowhead here last week, and Indians did live around here, or the Native Americans, sorry.
Oh, I can't really point it out, but it's in the area.
Trying to be politically correct.
I'm watching you.
You almost got a good treat there.
Super cold. I say thanks for being a guinea pig.
No problem.
How the slippery spots are.
Yeah, it was.
All right, we can put our gear up here.
This is where we're looking.
I'm going to show you. Well, you've done this before.
Oh, yeah.
So if you know what you're doing, you want to
Yep.
find yourself a spot out here.
Perfect.
So you're looking for gravel. That's what you're trying to key on. Gravel's what holds
I'll go
the
back
fossil.
in like an hour.
So you got your stick here. You're going to use your stick, and you're feeling for gravel.
So we should reach out like left and right of you.
Well, you're going to have this hole when I get done. So I'm just going to show you how to search for gravel. All right, there's some gravel here. The bigger the gravel, the bigger the fossil's going to be.
This is all crunchy at the top. Are you looking for
Yeah.
crunch at the top or are you looking for crunch at the bottom?
Either way.
Either way.
Yep.
I guess those are my water shoes right there.
All right. So what we're trying to do is fill this screen up as high as we can get it. You don't want to throw one scoop in and look, one scoop in, and you're going to waste a lot of time
You can get yours out.
doing that. Not getting that much of a crunch in here, but we'll see what we got for material. So we're going to be out here a while, and I'm going to show you techniques how to save your back, so it's not too hard. So you got a lot of organic material on here. You want to get rid of it, and you put it on the water, and it all floats off. Then we're looking through here for any type of fossil.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
All right.
Saved me a trip.
All right. I'm not yielding a lot of gravel out here, so I'm going to move on from this spot here. So we're here.
What the hell?
So. All right, I do something what I call the lucky shake. I shake it around, it moves the material around, gives it a different view.
Right.
We find something 10% of the time. Or
Yeah, it's possible that something will appear you didn't see the first time. All right. That's a turtle. You see the pattern there. All right, so to give it a toss.
So what you're saying is if we find a skull, you're keeping it.
No, you can.
We have to find two.
Yeah.
I would just be happy to find it,
A
really.
bunch of them little rib bone things. about the 15th one. I forgot. That one.
Yep, put that one there.
Nephews, nieces. It's the best thing ever.
All right, let me give it a shake here. Oh!
You're fine.
What you find?
Let's see. Big old one, huh? Holy crap. What's that off of?
It's an egg.
Really?
Yep.
I found, you know where Clear Springs is?
Yeah. Found one there,
We're
huh?
walking out there looking for fossils.
Are you talking about, I'm thinking up in,
Old County,
okay, I'm thinking of
60.
Crystal Springs, that's what I'm thinking of, but you're talking,
You go up to Bartow and take 60 over before you even get to Lake Wells.
Digging down deep. Trying to find where we feel stuff crunching. All those rocks and hopefully fossils. Pick it up.
We're down in Arcadia.
Yep. Fossil hunting. So
We're not in the house bore.
okay. We're not in the house boy. So we're gonna shake it around, get the dirt going through. We're gonna float the leaves and the organic stuff out. Shake it up. I'm gonna stick it up on this pole right here, so I ain't gotta hold this thing and hit her in the foot. Sorry.
God, that was my foot, my toe.
Okay, shake this thing around. Holy crap! Look at that. Look at that. That's a. I think it's a megalodon. Look at that. Megalodon.
Big? Nice.
Yep, pretty good. There's another shark's tooth.
That's it.
So we're taking a break because it's really hard work. We did find some good stuff. So I'm told this is from some kind of horse-like thing. Some kind of horse-like thing. One right there. And then these are megalodon teeth. Megalodon?
I think it's megalodon.
Bartow's correct in my pronunciation. I don't know. She might be right. She's a teacher, so she's smarter than I am. So
Yeah, art teacher.
there's another tooth there. I got two tooths. So see those right there. Pretty cool. It's a lot of hard work, so we're taking a break. So we'll be back to it in a minute. We're gonna hit this little hole right there.
We're at the honey hole.
So we're back at the honey hole. We found all the good stuff. We've got a bunch of teeth. We found a bunch of teeth. We found a bunch of bones. Those megalodon teeth are the bomb. We got two now. A bunch of little teeth. Some are perfect. Some are chipped up or whatever. Some of those sharks need to see a dentist or whatever. But found a bunch of stuff. This is the hole where we found some of the better stuff. So we're back and we're gonna see what else we can find. Stay tuned here on Evolving Male. Maybe. We're officially tired here on Evolving Male. We've been digging in a hole, various holes for quite some time, and it is a lot of work. This is a lot of work. I didn't find any gold. I haven't found any skulls, human or otherwise. We did find some bones, and we'll go over our finds here in a little bit. Probably wait till we get cleaned up, because right now we're just tuckered out, and we still got a couple hours to go. But if we find any good things still, we'll let you know. Just taking a break while I put the woman to work. So stay tuned and let's watch Evolving Woman Part 2. We're on our way out, walking through the wheelage.
shell, turtle shell.
That's nothing. I'm just gonna show you. Yeah, that's
It's a whale
it's a
tooth
big-
Oh,
right there.
Yeah,
That's an arrowhead. That's turtle.
turtle. Yep. It's bone, but nothing else I can identify.
Oh, that was a piece of wood. Yeah, it's not wood, I don't think. But I don't know.
No, it's
Alligator.
it's bone, but it's hard to tell what it
Is
goes
that
to.
poop?
That's the poop.
That's the poop. Let me
That's
get
poop.
it.
Prehistoric
That's
poop.
right. I know my shit.
It is a mastodon tooth.
They call it corporalite. Fossilized poop. Corporalite. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the adventure.
Very nice.
Megalodon.
So this is
Pretty cool.
mammoth tusk here.
Where's my
what you
shoe?
have
You
here.
can put them in
Yep.
the shoe again.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. We had a really good time down there in Arcadia, Florida. With I'm going to put the link below in the comments. Fossil exploration. What is it called? Fossil recovery exploration. I've said that like 5 times and I keep getting it wrong. Fossil recovery exploration on Facebook. It's in Arcadia, Florida, about an hour and a half away from Central Florida where we're at. And had a really good time, learned a lot about fossils, learned a lot about some of the history, and it was really, really insightful, really fun, a good way to spend a Saturday for us. And you know, we have a lot of fun together. We do things. We enjoy each other's company. We went working in the woods and digging, and there's a lot of work. I mean, don't get me wrong, but it's nothing that's gonna kill you, and you're gonna have a great time. So check it out. Thanks for coming back. Hit like and subscribe, and as always, Evolving Mail's here for you, and we're glad that you're here for us. So see you guys later. Bye bye.